Several angry parents are staging protests outside a reputed private school in Bangalore after a 6-year-old girl was allegedly sexually assaulted by 2 staff members inside the school. Now, while the school management has come out and assured the parents of action, the parents have demanded strict action against the perpetrators. Anusha is joining us live from outside the school. Anusha, we understand that the school authorities, in fact, the chairman of the school foundation did come out and speak to parents, but parents are clearly not satisfied with the assurances that have been given by him.
Well, definitely, it does not come as a surprise that the parents are not satisfied with the kind of response that the founder chairman has given, because he has not given them any assurance. Although he has stated that the number of CCTVs will be increased, the security in the school will be increased, the parents are not yet convinced that they can send their wards here to the school and hope that they will be safe by the time they return home. The parents are still very skeptical about the kind of security that the school will be able to provide to their wards. On one hand is the school authority stating that they will cooperate with the police. They have already given out all the CCTV footage. They've already allowed the police to interview all their staff. But on the other hand are the protesting parents who are not convinced that the school has done enough, who are not convinced because the school has failed to take accountability for this entire episode. The school even now trying to distance itself from the entire episode. Although the chairperson has acknowledged the fact that the staff of the school who were questioned by the police are still under police custody. They are still being interrogated. The parents still expressing doubt whether the school is trying to protect its staff. The parents still not ready to move out of the premises of the school. Initially, their demand was that they will end the protest only after they meet representatives of the administration and after they get a suitable response from them. But as of now, discussions still underway on how to take this protest forward.
Right, stay with us, Anusha. In fact, the chairperson of the school foundation did come out and address the parents. Let's listen into what assurances he gave.
This is your school. I am here to ensure that all safety is there.
One thing, kindly, I'm telling you, from today, kindly organize one-to-one parent meet with the management. We want to give complete expression. Points which has been noted, you have to answer all the 20 points.
Yes, definitely all those points that have been discussed have to be answered.
Whatever been
Yes, they will be communicated. Understand that, sir.
Mother is asking, can we send the school to the school tomorrow?
Yes, I see no problem. Sir, it is individually not possible to address one-on-one grievance in this forum. I am here. This is your school. I am here to ensure that all safety is there.
One thing, kindly, I'm telling you, from today, kindly organize one-to-one parent meet with the management. We want to give complete expression. Points which has been noted, you have to answer all the 20 points.
Yes, definitely all those points that have been discussed have to be answered.
Whatever been
Yes, they will be communicated. Understand that, sir.
Mother is asking, can we send the school to the school tomorrow?
Yes, I see no problem.